Hey guys, it's Sean with Tim Short Classics with the ever so lovely Miss Cindy doing some filming today. Today we're bringing you a 72 C10 short bed Stepside. That's LS 5.3 with 20s and super nice truck. Got a patina look to it. It just heat works in. It doesn't have air conditioner, but we're going to take it up the road so y'all can see it. If I hit the right key, that's the door key. Door locks do work on this truck. That's awesome. Digital gauges. It's got Intellitronics digital gauges. Radio works. It's got one of the new, what do you call them? New old stock looking digital gauges. There's drive. Chrome steering column. Tilt wheel. Seat upholstery's new. It's really nice too. All I got is one little water hole pulling out. If you're in the Pikeville area, this is Saturday from 11 to 4. We're having our first annual shop party. We're going to grill out. We went and bought us a speaker system so we can do a little DJ action. Hang on. DJ action. So we can, I'll just make sure I didn't get ran over. And some old cars, just sitting around talking about what we're going to do next season, what I did wrong this season, how we can do things better. We're going up to the airport again, as always. We just picked this truck up from the exhaust shop today. The exhaust had they had welded the hangers to the framey thingy underneath, so had a little bit of vibration back there we didn't like, so we had that fixed and make sure it's welded up, so it's all new exhaust on it. It shows that's 503 miles an hour. There's like 635 miles on it since it's been done. Naturally, I don't, the motor, I don't know if it's a stock motor, it's not cammed or anything like that, so good driver. Why do people stop and then cut their wheels to turn in? It's crazy. We would roll the windows down, but this truck, I'll show you when we get out. It's got a set of the 20-inch Boyd Coddington wheels on it. And she's already got like a 2-inch drop in the rear of the blocks. And I didn't lower it anymore because this day and time, some folks like a normal height, some folks like it slim. And I can do either for the new owner. It's the beauty about having the shop and not being a fly-by-night guy like a lot of people are. We have a shop that we can do all mechanic work in, and I can lower it for you if you like. Something we got in. We put our Christmas in this year, our list for Santa, and we've asked for GoPros, so we'll see how that goes. Spot right here. Do us a little walk around. Keep her sideways so we can see it better. Cold steering wheel. It's like a chip food style steering wheel or something. Here we go. Catch me, hey Sandy. Say hi. Back on the ridge top where we always do our filming. So let's back away so you can see what we're looking at here. Like I said, a 72, 70. This one's a 70, I'm sorry. I've got a 72 that's in paint right now. C10. That's pretty cool here. Looks like it came out of North Carolina originally. As you can see, got a little spot right here on the fender. Been there for some time. Cab rockers have been replaced in it. The interior's nice on this truck too. Side door panels are new. That seat's been done a little while, but it's in great shape. I thought it was new, but it's not after I look at the corners. The gas tank's been relocated to the bed. I just left the filler, fill the hole. Like a little paint line here. It's an almost new wood bed kit. Is it bed wood or wood bed? Drop your comments down below. I don't know which way I call it. I always call it. It's a wood bed, so I just call it a kit for that. Let's see. 20-inch wheels. 20-inch blades on the Impala. Spot here. They painted over for the patina look. The back bumper's new on it. Those brackets are new. They've left the original tailgate. We can put a tailgate on for the new owner if they don't like the weathered look that this one's got. It has been clear coated. It's not a Poppies or anything, or Vice Grip Garage patina or whatever. It's a Poppies, not Poppy, but a clear coat. Tail lights are new. This was a local truck too. An older gentleman had it, a little older than me, so I'm older, but he had it, decided he wanted a square body. Spot there that it's been sealed. The side interior is nice. Rocker's been done on this side too. Got a nice shine to it. Hold this for a second. I think I'm almost going to do a whole video without getting my fingers in it. That's not good. That needs tightened up. 5.3 LS. Clean under the hood. Aluminum radiator. Headers. And I honestly wouldn't care to drive this truck anywhere. Let's get down. And I probably will be driving it until it sells. Floors are great in it. Exhaust dumps out right here. Let's go the other side. One of these days, I'm gonna get down and I'm gonna be able to get back up. I tried to move fast, so I'm just trying to keep my video shorter. Floor's been patched on this side, but it's welded in. It's not just metal thrown over metal. So while I sit here, let's just do this. Clouds are pretty today, ain't they? I'm up. Well, there you got it, folks. I'll walk around to the front. Great truck, great price, $29.9. These trucks, with good paint, $50 grand now with our LS and everything else. If you want it lower, we can lower. If you don't like it the way it is, we can leave it the way it is. You can also check us out at timshortclassics.net. You can check us out at Tim Short Classics on Facebook, Tim Short Classics here on YouTube, and any other places that you see Tim Short Classics. Thanks, guys. It's cold. I'm getting back in the truck. Y'all have a great evening. God bless. See you soon.